Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Before I start my topic, allow me to introducing myself. My name is Rajun from Biology Education, Class A 2019. My supporting lecturer is Mrs. Rukoyah Nasution. My topic is river pollution by palm oil waste. Crude palm oil (CPO) is a mainstay commodity for foreign exchange for Indonesia from the agro-industry sector. Indonesia plays an important role in controlling the world CPO market, where palm oil on the world market is produced by Indonesia and Malaysia. In addition, it was also stated that the contribution of palm oil to national export reached 6%, making this commodity number one of Indonesia production since 2005. Palm oil has become the largest edible oil in the world. Waste is there of waste, which is a component of the cause of pollution consisting of substance or material that have no use for the community. Industrial waste mostly produce liquid or solid waste that is still rich in organic matter, which is easy to decompose. Most existing industry dump their waste into our water so that relatively short period of time a bad smell will occur as a result of waste fermentation. In addition to producing high palm oil, it also produces waste consisting of solid waste and liquid waste. Palm meal solid waste comes from the processing of oil palm empty fruit bushes, cells, fibers, mud and cake, whereas the liquid waste from the palm oil meal comes from the steaming sterilization unit, the clarification process, and the hydrosilon discharge. Peter Window Alno is one of the companies engaged in the field of oil palm plantation, palm oil processing factories, which are domiciled in Tanjung Harapan Village, Nawal Putih District, North Bengkulu Regency. The impact of the plan is waste. Waste from the palm oil mill consists of solid waste and liquid waste, where the final disposal of the company's industry liquid waste in the discharge into the river, while the river is still used by the community to carry out activities such as wedding waste. Types of palm oil industrial waste. Palm oil industry waste in waste generated during the processing of palm oil. This type of waste is classified into two types, namely solid waste, liquid waste, and gas waste. A. Solid waste. Solid waste is the result of industrial waste in the room of solids, sludge, or solid that comes from an industrial processing process. Solid waste will definitely have a negative impact on the environment, and there is no good and right treatment with the presence of solid waste the environment. It can cause pollution. Solid waste produced by palm oil processing factories is empty fruit bunches, fibers, and cells. Solid waste treatment can be done in various ways, which of course can make the waste does not have a negative impact on the environment or health. Liquid waste. Waste, which is meant by liquid waste, is the residues from a result of a liquid business and or activity that is disposed of into the environment and is thought to reduce the quality of the environment. Meanwhile, according to Sugiharto, waste is sewage from the community household and also from industry, soil, surface, weather, and other waste. Likewise, according to Metal and Eddy, defining waste based on its source point is a combination of liquid from the household, corporate, retail, and industrial waste weather with groundwater, surface weather, and rainwater. Liquid waste management in the production process and in stage to minimize the waste that occurs. I finish the topic. We will never know the real answer before we try. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.